All right, let's talk about how you can compare two Excel sheets and compare the differences on those sheets. So I'm going to show you how to compare two different sheets if they are on the same worksheet like this. And I'm going to show you how to do it if you have two separate workbooks, how you can compare the data that way. Now, in this example, it's pretty simple. We just have some sales data with averages on the sides and bottoms there. And then you can see that on sheet 2 here, I copy and pasted the data, but I changed a couple things, and you might have already noticed a few of the changes I've made. So for me, the first thing you want to do is you want to view these side by side. So if you go up to the view ribbon here, go ahead and select new window, and that is going to bring up the same exact Excel workbook, but now we have two of them. Then we'll have the two identical workbooks created. Now go back up to the view ribbon, select arrange all. In this pop-up window, select vertical and then hit OK. And then that's going to put those worksheets side by side. Now on this side, we're going to be viewing worksheet 1. On this side, we'll just select worksheet 2 that we can view. And we can already see that there are a couple differences, like right here it says 2027, whereas up here on sheet 2 it says 2029. So there are two ways that you can compare the differences in Excel. You can use conditional formatting if you're comparing worksheets on the same workbook or the same Excel file. Otherwise, you can use a formula. I'll show you both ways. So first, what we want to do for conditional formatting is we want to select the range of cells that we are comparing against the other range. So we'll select all of these cells. We'll go to the home ribbon, and depending on how big your screen is, you might need to scroll over, but look for conditional formatting. Select that and hit new rule. This little menu will pop up, and we're going to want to select use a formula to determine which cell to format. And our formula is going to be equals. We want to compare this first cell, which is B1, and what you'll notice is that will create an absolute reference for you, or it will put a $sign in front of B and a $sign in front of 1. You can hit F4 or FN F4 to remove those, or you can just backspace on each of those to delete, and you're going to want to delete that absolute reference. Then we'll hit greater than less than, and then this is where we want to select the first cell in the other worksheet we're comparing. So it'll then be B1 again, however, it's going to reference sheet 1. And again, you're going to want to remove the $signs or the cell reference. And that's our formula. Now you're going to want to format it to show you which cells are different in sheet 1 versus sheet 2. So we're going to want to go up to, we're just going to we'll just fill it a red color. We'll go ahead and hit OK. And you can obviously play around with this format, the font, the fill, all of that special stuff, but we're just going to highlight it red if there is a difference between the two data sets. Then we'll go ahead and hit OK, and we can see that there are a couple differences. We'll notice that in this sheet, January is listed twice, so that's different. This year says 2029, so that's different, and some of these numbers are different as well. So then we can go in and compare those differences and kind of dive in deeper and figure out, well, why are those different? Did it just copy over wrong? Or maybe there's formulas in place here. Now there is another way you can do this. You can use a formula to compare two sheets. And this formula is going to work whether you're comparing two sheets on the same file or workbook, or if you're comparing two separate workbooks. Because keep in mind that if you're comparing two separate Excel files or workbooks, you can't use conditional formatting to find the errors. So this formula can come in handy. So I will show you how to do it when you're comparing different workbooks. All right, so here we have workbook 1 or book 1, and then we have book 2 or workbook 2 with the data. So there's only one sheet on each of these workbooks, but we want to find the differences and compare these. So what we can do is, again, we're going to want to go up to View, Arrange All, select Vertical, and hit OK. So then we'll have those two workbooks side by side. And what we're going to do on either workbook or either file is we're going to add a tab or a worksheet. And this is what we're going to use to compare. So all of these cells start in B1 all the way through G14. So what we want to do is select this first cell, B1. We'll go ahead and type equals if, and then what you want to do is go over to your sheet and select that first cell, or B1. And you'll notice that the reference will say sheet 1, cell B1. So we want to do if that equals, and then we'll go over to our other workbook here, and we'll select this cell, B1. And you'll notice Excel will put that in brackets. It will put the name of the workbook, and then it will say, hey, that's on sheet 1 of this workbook, cell B1. And you'll notice that it will add dollar signs again. We want to remove those dollar signs. Comma, if that's true, we just want it to say B1 or the cell that's there. Now, if that's false, so if there is a difference, this is where we can be creative and decide how we want the cell to display what's different. Now, in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to want to say, hey, this is a difference. Version 1 says this, and version 2 says this. So we can see the difference in the cell. And the way we'll do this is we'll put quote version 1 colon space parenthesis, and we're going to hit the and sign. We'll want to display this cell, so B1, because that's the version 1 that we have, and we'll say that this workbook number 2 is version 2, and quote space version 2 colon space quote and sign. We'll want to add this cell here. And actually, we're going to want to put another, to better differentiate that, we're going to put a dividing line here as well. But basically what this is going to do is it's going to say, hey, in that cell where it finds a difference, it's going to say version 1 is showing this, and version 2 is showing this. So we'll go ahead and hit enter, and since there's nothing in that cell, or that cell is blank, it's going to appear as a 0. But what we can do is copy that across by clicking this bottom corner, dragging this across, and then we can drag this all the way down. Now we're going to expand these columns a little bit. Now, and then we'll kind of widen these columns because this obviously doesn't look super pretty, but you'll kind of get the idea here. So, for example, here version 1 is saying February and version 2 is saying January. So we know that the difference is found there. And then we can see here, hey, version 1 is saying 57,000 while version 2 is saying 686,000. So that way we can kind of compare and view the differences with a formula. That's how you can compare two Excel sheets and compare differences. But there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.